Hello everyone. This is my review of the Ridge 20W magnetic power bank. It snaps securely onto my MagSafe compatible phone and stays in place while I'm using it, making charging effortless. I also love the built-in cables. If I need to charge another device, I don't have to remember to bring extra cords, which is perfect for travel or busy days. Another thing that stood out is the charging speed. The 20-watt fast charging gives my phone a quick boost when the battery starts getting low, and I don't have to wait long before I'm back up and running. The 10,000 milliamp hours battery capacity is another huge plus. It has enough power to recharge my phone multiple times, making it great for long trips, flights, or full days away from an outlet. I also like the compact design. It fits easily in a pocket, backpack, or carry-on without adding much weight. And the bright Basecamp orange color makes it easy to find. The build quality feels premium. It feels solid in the hand and gives me confidence that it will hold up well with everyday use. Overall, this is one of those accessories that quickly becomes something you don't want to leave home without. If you're looking for a powerful, travel-friendly, magnetic power bank with fast charging, built-in cables, and a premium design, the Ridge 20W magnetic power bank is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.